Better get started.
And do it fast.
Do it fast. She's a little chewed up. Oh. Oh, there we go. It's working. We saved it.
Hey, Dad, did you fix it?
I sure did.
Thanks. Bye.
I guess she's gonna have more fun than I am. Well, hey, what else happens when you fix things? But we did save it from the dump. That is a good thing. So, bring it over here.
Go play.
But if she enjoys this one, I'm just going to go ahead and say, remember, go out there, find those retro systems.
And fix them.
Find those retro games, and continue to grow your retro stash. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.